Remember the early days of YouTube? It was a time when the internet was still finding its feet. Grainy videos of skateboarding fails and giggling babies dominated our screens. These simple yet captivating clips brought joy to millions. It was a simpler time, a digital playground where creativity knew no bounds. Fast forward to today, and YouTube has become a cultural behemoth, influencing trends and shaping opinions. It's a platform for education, entertainment, and everything in between. From DIY tutorials to full-fledged documentaries, the content is endless. We've seen the rise of YouTube stars, massive online communities, and fan meetups that rival traditional celebrity events. And a whole new era of content creation. Behind every video is a story, a creator, and a vision. YouTube has evolved from a simple video sharing platform to a global phenomenon, connecting people from all corners of the world. It's time to look ahead and see what the future holds. The possibilities are endless. YouTube's journey has been remarkable, filled with innovation and transformation. It has adapted to changing technologies and evolving audience preferences, constantly reinventing itself. The platform has become more sophisticated, offering tools and features that empower creators. Content creators are pushing boundaries, exploring new formats and technologies. The future of YouTube is bright, filled with potential and innovation. It promises to be even more engaging and immersive, with advancements like virtual reality and augmented reality. Buckle up, because the ride is just getting started. The journey of YouTube is far from over. One of the most significant shifts in recent years has been the explosion of live streaming. This phenomenon has transformed how we consume content, making it more interactive and engaging. Viewers crave authentic, unfiltered experiences. They want to feel like they are part of the moment, sharing in real time with others. Live streams offer a unique opportunity to connect with creators and audiences in real time. This direct interaction builds a stronger bond between the creator and their community. From live gaming sessions to Q&A sessions with experts, live content is booming. The variety of content available ensures there is something for everyone. It fosters a sense of community and immediacy that traditional videos can't replicate. The live chat feature allows viewers to interact not only with the streamer, but also with each other. This trend is only going to accelerate. As technology advances, the quality and accessibility of live streaming will continue to improve. As internet speeds increase, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of live streaming. Enhanced connectivity will make live streaming more seamless and immersive. Imagine attending a virtual concert from your living room or taking a live cooking class with a renowned chef. The possibilities are endless. The future of live streaming is bright and full of potential. The future of YouTube is about more than just watching videos passively. It's about creating immersive experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Interactive content like polls, quizzes, and choose-your-own-adventure videos are just the beginning. Imagine exploring a 360-degree video of the Amazon rainforest or taking a virtual tour of the Louvre Museum. These technologies are already here. As they become more sophisticated and accessible, we can expect to see a surge in immersive and interactive content on YouTube. With billions of hours of video available, finding what you want on YouTube can be overwhelming. This is where personalization comes in. YouTube's algorithms are constantly evolving to understand individual viewer preferences and serve up highly relevant content. This focus on personalization will only intensify. In the future, expect YouTube to become even better at anticipating your interests. It will suggest videos you didn't even know you wanted to watch. This individualized approach will make the viewing experience more engaging and satisfying for everyone. Section 5. The AI Revolution: Content Creation and Curation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already changing the way we create and consume content. From automated video editing tools to AI-powered subtitles and translations, AI is making it easier than ever to produce high-quality videos. But AI's role goes beyond just production. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify emerging trends, popular topics, and even predict which videos are likely to go viral. This will be invaluable for creators looking to tailor their content to audience interests and maximize their reach. Section 6. The future is mobile 5G and the rise of mobile viewership. Mobile devices have become the primary way many people consume content. The rollout of 5G networks will only accelerate this trend. With lightning-fast download speeds and reduced latency, 5G will make it seamless to stream high-quality videos on the go. This shift towards mobile viewership will have significant implications for content creators. Videos will need to be optimized for smaller screens and vertical viewing formats. Creators who adapt to this mobile-first world will be best positioned for success. Section 7, AR and VR, the next frontier of video content. Augmented reality, or AR, and virtual reality, or VR, are poised to revolutionize the way we experience video content. Imagine attending a live concert virtually using VR or using AR to overlay product information on top of a product review video. While AR and VR are still in their early stages of adoption, their potential for YouTube is immense. As the technology matures and becomes more widely accessible, expect to see more creators experimenting with AR and VR to create truly immersive and engaging experiences. Section 8. The power of community. Building engagement and loyalty. One of YouTube's greatest strengths is its ability to foster a sense of community. Creators who actively engage with their audience through comments, live chats, and social media build strong, loyal followings. This emphasis on community building will be even more critical in the future. As the platform becomes more crowded, creators who prioritize genuine interaction and build authentic relationships with their viewers will stand out. Section 9. The business of YouTube, monetization and creator sustainability. YouTube has created countless opportunities for creators to monetize their content, from advertising revenue to brand sponsorships. As the platform evolves, it's crucial to ensure the long-term sustainability of the creator economy. This means exploring new monetization models such as fan subscriptions or direct support from viewers. YouTube must also continue to refine its policies and algorithms to ensure fair compensation for creators and prevent the spread of harmful content. Section 10. YouTube's social impact: education, awareness, and activism. Beyond entertainment, YouTube has become a powerful platform for education, raising awareness about important social issues, and driving social change. From educational channels teaching complex topics to activists documenting human rights abuses, YouTube empowers individuals and organizations to amplify their voices. As YouTube's reach and influence grow, so too does its responsibility to combat misinformation, promote digital literacy, and create a safe and inclusive platform for all voices. Section 11. The future is bright. Key expectations for YouTube's evolution. The future of YouTube is brimming with possibilities, and the horizon is filled with exciting advancements that promise to reshape the way we create and consume content. From interactive experiences and personalized recommendations to the rise of AI and the transformative potential of AR and VR, the platform is on the cusp of a new era of innovation and growth. These technologies are not just trends, they are the building blocks of the future. Here are some key takeaways to keep in mind as we navigate this evolving landscape. Embrace the power of live streaming and real-time engagement. Live streaming offers a unique opportunity to connect with your audience in the moment, creating a sense of immediacy and authenticity that pre-recorded videos often lack. Connect with your audience in authentic and meaningful ways. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel heard and valued. Think beyond the screen and explore immersive and interactive content. AR and VR are opening up new dimensions of storytelling, allowing creators to craft experiences that are not just watched but lived. Create experiences that captivate and engage your viewers. Immersive content can transport your audience to new worlds, making your videos more memorable and impactful. Prioritize personalization and tailor your content to individual viewer preferences. Use data and analytics to understand what your audience wants and deliver content that resonates with them on a personal level. Make your videos stand out in a crowded landscape. With so much content available, it's crucial to find ways to differentiate yourself and capture the attention of potential viewers. Leverage the power of AI for content creation, curation, and audience engagement. AI can help you work more efficiently, allowing you to focus on creativity and strategy. Work smarter, not harder, with the help of AI. From editing to content recommendations, AI tools can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Optimize your content for mobile viewing and the rise of 5G networks. As more viewers consume content on their mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your videos are mobile-friendly and take advantage of faster network speeds. Meet your audience where they are. Whether they're on the go or at home, make sure your content is accessible and engaging on all devices. Experiment with AR and VR to create truly immersive and unforgettable experiences. These technologies offer endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. Push the boundaries of what's possible with video content. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Innovation is key to staying relevant and engaging. Cultivate a strong sense of community and build genuine relationships with your viewers. A loyal and engaged audience is one of the most valuable assets a creator can have. Engagement is key to long-term success. Foster a sense of belonging and make your viewers feel like they're part of something special. Stay informed about evolving monetization models and advocate for creator sustainability. As the platform evolves, so too do the ways creators can earn revenue. Ensure the long-term health of the creator economy. By staying informed and adapting to new monetization opportunities, you can build a sustainable career on YouTube. Recognize the social impact of your content and use your platform responsibly. As a creator, you have the power to influence and inspire, so use it wisely. Be a force for good in the world. Whether it's raising awareness for important causes or simply spreading positivity, your content can make a difference. The future of YouTube is in the hands of its creators. By embracing innovation, prioritizing authenticity, and focusing on building meaningful connections, we can shape the future of online video and create a more engaging, immersive, and impactful experience for everyone. Together, we can push the boundaries of what's possible and create a platform that not only entertains but also educates, inspires, and brings people together from all corners of the globe.